Hey fellow adventurers, Benji here.
And Teeny, and our 3 amazing kids.
We absolutely love all things travel and cannot wait for our next adventure. As a family, we celebrate faith, family, and adventure. We realize not everybody can travel, but everybody can go on adventure. So let's go. So another day and another adventure. We're at Hermosa Beach, California. We have 2 hours before we have to head back to the airport. So we're gonna just hang around here, maybe drive a little bit, go out on a few piers, and just relax before we have to head back to Texas. So let's go. Cool little cafes, little restaurants, bars right down here by the pier. Teen's gonna grab me a coffee, and then we're gonna walk out on the pier and see the beautiful Pacific Ocean. Again, if you know me, know that I grew up on the Pacific Ocean, so any chance that I can see, we take that opportunity, and we're gonna soak in every second that we have out here.
Okay, we stopped for coffee right here by the pier at Cafe Bonaparte. And they have also some really good treats and ice cream.
It's funny because we stopped at Porto's once again on the way out here, and so we stopped and I grabbed a little bit more of Porto's, and now we're here, and already since I've been here I've had like 3 people say Porto's. Like, I guess the locals even love it too. So this would definitely be my vibe if I lived out here. On Saturdays, come hang out and play some beach volleyball. Got the first whiff of soft air. Oh, I miss it so much. For me, just smelling that just brings like nostalgia. Just the good old days of going to the beach, grabbing a coffee or food, just taking it easy.
What is better than coffee, beach, beautiful weather, family? Oh man, I'm totally enjoying this, missing being by the water.
So if you're from around this area, what are the places that you like to hang out at? We're always looking for suggestions, maybe for the next time we're out here. Put those down in the comments, let us know. This beach is awesome. I know there's been some southern ones that we've done down in Orange County that we've enjoyed as well. So this is the first time we've been here, but this is really nice. The kids are loving it over there.
Nothing like toes in the sand. Ariel found her way to the water.
Let's go there for Jobbi.
Is it cold? Woo! That's cold. Woo, that's cold. Put your feet in. Is it cold? It's cold.
Hey there, pretty lady.
Hey,
You having fun?
loving this. Relax.
Alrighty, our time has come to an end and we have to head towards the airport. The kids were not happy about it, but it's part of it. We count our blessings for being able to experience the time that we had there, even though it was short. Until next time, though. When y'all spend time at the beach, what are some of your favorite activities to do? Let us know. Yeah, we'd love to hear. Alrighty, so we are back at LAX on our way back to Dallas. Got to spend some time, which this vlog included us going to the beach for a little bit. But if you haven't seen the full series, we started off with our Disney vlogs, which you can go and check out. I'll put a link up top. But just remember, I'll go ahead and close this out. But thank you for watching. And remember that we celebrate faith, family, and adventure. Not everybody can travel, but everybody can have an adventure. Thank y'all. Hit that subscribe button, follow, some notifications so you know whenever time we put out new content. Thank y'all again. See ya.